All right, it's time for the true test, the moment you've all been waiting for.
Good morning, can I please get a large dark roast?
3, 2, 1, go! Welcome to Make It Real. I'm your host, the Hacksmith. At Hacksmith Industries, we take fictional ideas from comics, movies, and video games and make real working prototypes using our engineering knowledge as a way to inspire people around the world to pursue science, technology, engineering, and math. As many of you know, we spent the past month building our very own Cybertruck, with one major difference: we built it half scale. To accomplish this was no small task, and it cost us a lot of time, blood, sweat, and tears. We persevered and prevailed despite each and every roadblock along the way. And trust me, there are more than a few. Now, without further ado, Hacksmith Industries is proud to present the world's first half-scale Cybertruck. Who are you? Pretty cool, right? Let's talk about the specs. This Cybertruck has all the functionality of a regular truck while being half the size of the most popular pickup truck in the United States, the F-150. We did that by making it half the height, half the width, and half the length of a standard F-150, all while having greater capabilities and functionality than a full-size truck. And it's half the size with 1/8 the weight. By making the frame of the truck an exoskeleton, we're able to do things normal pickup trucks can't. The entire skin of the truck is made from thick 3mm ultra-hard stainless steel. It's really hard. In fact, we're going to show you just how hard. Bogdan, our lead designer here on the half-scale Cybertruck, he's got a sledgehammer and he's gonna hit it. Go all out. Now how about the glass? Bogdan?
You sure?
Do it. Look at that, not even a blemish. Tesla armored glass. Now, how about power? Now, this thing has a tri-motor design, just like its big brother. In fact, it produces around 600 foot-pounds of torque, which is 50% more torque than an F-150 V8 5-liter engine from 2020. Now, we could read you stats about power and torque all day, but that's not really our style. So, we put this truck to the test. Short supply of, but I'm not satisfied. Let's up the ante. Three, two, 1, go!
We can weld that back on, right?
If this car breaks down and it needs a tow, I'm just gonna...
Well, that didn't work. Next. Three, 2, 1, go! All right, maybe that wasn't fair. Mike, switch it to all-wheel drive. Go! Yeah! All right! That's pretty impressive. I think we can go bigger! Get out of here! Get out of here!
It's life. It's how it is.
All right, it's time for the true test, the moment you've all been waiting for. A fully loaded F-150 versus the half-scale Cybertruck. Let's do this. 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, well, that's not a really fair fight because that is a 5,000-pound truck and the Cybertruck probably only weighs just over 1,000. That's basic physics. So we're gonna load up the back of the Cybertruck to make it a bit heavier and see what happens. We need a bit more weight though. The world's heaviest Thor's hammer, which weighs 115 pounds, has made a touchdown.
Rolling!
All right, so we got some weight in the back of the Cybertruck. Let's do this again. Let's get that chain tight. All right, you guys ready? 3, 2, 1, go! That's a win! That's a win! Yeah! Look at this! Half-scale Cybertruck for the win! Half-scale Cybertruck, 50% more torque than an F-150. Elon, let us know when you're calling. As you can see, this little truck has a lot of power. It'd be a shame to keep it all to ourselves. Like my Uncle Ben used to say, with great power comes great responsibility. Let's see how this Cybertruck is received out there in the real world.
Good morning, can I please get a large dark roast with 3 milks? What better way to test a half-scale Cybertruck than in a half-scale village?
Not bad. If you guys want to see the complete engineering process that went into building a half-scale Cybertruck in just over a month, check out our YouTube channel where you can see the 4-part build series. Now, we've had a ton of fun building this half-scale Cybertruck, but there's still so much more that we could upgrade. Maybe adding the truck bed cover, a winch in the front, make it remote controlled, and maybe even add a self-driving module. Either way, you're gonna wanna make sure you're subscribed with notifications turned on, because you're not gonna wanna miss this. And Elon, if you're watching this, you're welcome to come give it a spin anytime. Until then, I'll be waiting for my pre-order of the real Cybertruck. If you guys want to learn more about our half-scale Cybertruck video, make sure you check out this video right here. It's a full Q&A posted on our vlog channel where we talk more about the engineering that went into our half-scale Cybertruck. Thanks for watching.